Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the language on Pinterest app. So in here, I've already on my Pinterest, and to start, you can go to your profile by clicking on this people icon here at the bottom. And after this, you can just click on your initial name at the top left corner. Go to the account management, tap on that, and here you'll see personal information, so just tap on the personal information, and under it you'll find the language option. So what you need to do, just click on this and change the language into the one that you want. For example, I'm going to go with English. You can just go back and it will be saved automatically. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.